In this video, I'll show you how to create a business page on Instagram. Let's get started. First, open Instagram and go to your profile. Tap the menu icon in the top right corner. Scroll down to Account and select Switch to Professional Account. Choose your business type and enable the Display on Profile option if you'd like. Select Business as your account type. Then add your contact information such as a phone number and address. Enable Display Contact Info to make it easier for potential leads to reach you. Tap Next and connect your Instagram business account to a Facebook page if you want a seamless marketing experience across platforms. Once the setup is complete, your business account will be ready to use. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. For more tech videos like this, subscribe. Catch you later.